Full bro yata te.
May clamper
No.
sila, may 100.
Yeah. Just wait guys. Get ready on the gate, get ready on the gate.
Dalawa
Club
spike.
Fox, maraming longbow. Fox.
Roll, clap. Ah?
Bro,
Level
Yeah.
14 na sila, level 14 na ngayon.
Okay. Ah, bro, clap. Okay. Sino caller nito? Heal in the front, heals in the front guys, heals in the front, heals. Heal. Wait. Yo, shallow na on the front, 3, 2, 1, shallow na on the gate. Tang, ino na shield pa. Yo, kita
Dami yung spike, puta.
After
Yeah.
yung spike nila, nagsacycle.
Hold. Copy yung spike na to.
Pinasapa ka lang oh.
Heals, keep healing guys. Just hold. Hounds coming guys, okay? 1v1. Yeah, just wait, hold. Don't food, okay? Aga pa.
Nag-back up sila.
Yeah, okay lang. Hintayin mo. Ito lang tayo. Kasi may hounds dito eh.
Nag-aantay ng handhold dyan.
Yeah, hold it. Ewan ko sino caller, bro lata yan sila. Random lang.
Parang walang engage ng set.
Walang sa engage. Wala akong nakikita ano sa kanila. Nag-OC naman. Level
Balik na
14.
sila.
Level
Sige.
14. Okay. Yes, guys.
Wala ka. Huwag ka lang mag-clamp.
Heals in the front, guys. Flame tsaka ano. Grabe naman to. Wait. Yo. Shallow na ako.
Looking bomb.
Wait. Shallow na on the gate. 3, 2, 1. Shallow na on the gate. Kill this guy on the gate. Kill this guy. Almost guys. More damage. Timing naman guys.
Longbow pala, longbow.
Hold. Yo, shallow na on the gate. In 3, 2, 1. Shallow na on the gate. Shallow na. Antayin nyo ako guys kasi may guard run pa eh.
Gago. Na-demon.
Wait.
Hindi yung mga spike. Alam, marami pa tayo dito.
Madami.
Marami.
Rotate yung demon sa mga spike.
Wait.
Dito lang sa zerg na to.
Incha pa bit. Wait. Hold. Yo, shallow na on the gate. In 3, 2, 1. Shallow na on the gate. Kill this guy. Almost guys. Come back pa. Wait. Don't food. Wait. Just hold guys. Just hold. Heals in the front. Wait. I do fake. Wait. Yo, shallow na on the gate. In 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Kill this guy. Almost. Come back fast.
Puta, sakit.
Yo, heals.
Okay, may namatay ulit.
Look. Yo, heals.
Zak. Ingat ka dyan, Zak.
Oh, fuck.
Pulling out sila, going.
Yeah, may
May bagong vlog. Dream
Bye,
Boy
scout.
bata yun.
Someone scout. Yo, hold here. Everyone hold here. Someone scout.
Ayan, Dream Wave nga, Pax.
Gusto-
Alliance nila.
Oh,
Hindi.
fuck.
Ay, Alliance nga, gago. Ang dami nila. Level 30 sila sa mapa.
Holy shit.
Kailangan natin ng Caesar dito, gago.
Yeah, just hold there. We try. Let's try, guys. Yo, Fudinosin na, Fudinosin.
Kabilaan sila bakla.
Yo, inch up a bit. Wait, don't fake. This is a fake. Yo, shallow now on the gate. In 3, 2, 1. Shallow now on the gate. Shallow now. Nice. Come back fast. Yo, demon. Deep is up. Nice. Hold here. Just hold, guys. Yo, come back to the second gate. Yeah, just come back. Come back, guys. Just come back. Go to the second gate. Wait. Yo, shallow on the gate in 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate. Shallow now. Kill this guy on the gate. Yo, come back fast. Deep is up. Heal. Yo, go to the second gate na. Come back. Come west. Come here. Follow me. Yo, hold there. Patingin na kung bidang touch na.
Sinasmash tong east gate.
Okay. Yo, come here southwest. We full push southwest, okay? Come out. Everyone come out. Yo, I do fake, okay? Yo, come here southwest. Come southwest. Deep is up. Yo, look at the gate now. On the ground. 3, 2, 1. On the fucking ground. It's big. Keep walking southwest. Oh, fuck. Keep walking. Angin. Yo, run. Putang ina, ang bilis naman nun. Ba't di ko kita yung sira